Yeah, been single too long, phone glowing like a lonely lighthouse. So I said, why not? Single night, scrolling late, thumb tired, hope on delayed, and boom, heaven in HD, profile hit me like a lottery. Booty got gravity, lips so divine, long hair flowing like California time, and a smile, mercy, pure and clean, Mother Teresa with a magazine. I said no way, she texted me, she said it that way. What you doing? I checked my phone like, is this real? Even my shadow started rooting me. This lucky? Nah, can't be. But she said, come see me, baby. Oh my superstar, superstar. From the screen straight to my heart. I don't know who you really are, but tonight you're my superstar. Yeah, my superstar, superstar. I fell too fast, I fell too hard. Swipe right, love left a scar, but you're still my superstar. She said, I'm in East LA. I paused like,
East LA?
but for you, baby, I go anywhere. End of the world, no GPS, no prayer. Street lights flicker, vibes feel strange. Google Maps like, bro, you sure this way? But love don't care, love don't think. Love just presses gas and blinks. Pulled up, there she was, oh Lord. Dressed so tight, my soul got floored. We laughed, we joked, we felt that spark. I forgot the street, forgot the dark. Oh my superstar, superstar. Every smile disarmed my guard. For a moment, life was art. Yeah, you were my superstar, superstar. I thought this night would change my heart. Didn't know it'd fall apart, but you were my superstar. She said, baby, time to go. Gave me a kiss to take it slow. I walked outside feeling tall. Two shadows leaned against the wall. Tattooed smiles, low rider stare. Nice watch, homie, nice wallet there. Blink once, lesson learned. Blink twice, pockets burned. Took my watch, took my ride, took my pride, left me side-eyed. Say gracias, have a good night. Left me bleeding under moonlight. Oh my superstar, superstar. Bloody lip, blue eyes, scars. Still replay you in my heart. Yeah, you're still my superstar, superstar. Love is blind and sometimes armed. Kiss goodbye, alarmed and charmed. Yeah, you're still my superstar. So if you see me scrolling slow and I hesitate before I go, just know I loved once from afar, and it cost me everything for my superstar. For my superstar.